Have you looked up lately? The world is changing. Drones deliver your mail. Flying taxis will drop your kids to school. And there are waiting lists for day trips to space. Our skies will soon be filled with millions of aircraft. But what about traffic? Collisions, constant noise. The world needs an advanced mapping system to safely manage our airspace. And that's where things get interesting. For you. There are already thousands of people worldwide powering this real-time map of the sky. You can also join Wingbits' global community, using a plug-and-play antenna that receives live signals from aircraft that pass overhead, earning daily rewards for capturing information like their location, altitude, and speed. This is critical data the global aviation industry depends on, from airlines and drone fleet managers to defense systems. The future is looking up, map the skies, earn rewards, and make our skies safer, smarter, and more efficient for everyone.